Creamy, cheesy, and packed with flavor, this Alfredo pasta is about to change your dinner game.
With 2 sticks of butter, and let them melt. I'm also going to add that also mixed together. And I'm going to show you my proteins. I have chicken, shrimp.
Bake my chicken to make it seem like it's grilled.
I also have my seasoning mix. There's a different kind of seasoning. Now I'm adding my seasoning to my heavy cream and butter. Right there is a sauce that I made. Tiny brown sauce. I'm adding my Parmesan cheese. Lot of Parmesan cheese. It gives you that little, you can see that? That's a lot of cheese. And I'm adding my pasta. As you can see, a lot of them. And right there what I'm adding is my store-bought Alfredo sauce. I add that last because I don't want it to change color. And I'm also adding fresh basil from my backyard. Fresh basil from my backyard. I'm really proud of that. And also mix. Do you see that? How amazing that looks. Now I'm going to add my protein. I'm adding the shrimp. I'm adding my grilled chicken that I grilled from the oven because it's so much faster. And yeah, you mix all that together. And by the way, please follow me if you made it this far.
Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my other video. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to comment also. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.